Well, hey, welcome back. How have you been? Now we're on to lesson 2 in the Rubank Elementary Method for Flute book. If you don't have your book, make sure you get one soon. I'm going to try to put a link in the description box to, well, maybe you can get one online, maybe, or you can get one from Amazon. So I'm going to try to put that link in the description box. If it's not there in this video, please forgive me. Blame my head and not my heart. Okay, but I need you to have the book because that way you can practice on your own. Make sense? All right. Lesson 2 from the Rubank book um, deals with half notes. Now we were talking about in the common time signature, which is 4/4. By the way, you'll hear it referred to as 4/4. And I'm going to do a video, probably right after this one, talking about time signatures, so you'll understand those a little better. Okay. All right. At the top of this lesson, we have number 1, and number 1 again, if you remember from the last page, is a treble clef, right? And then it has a number 2 over the thing called a, do you see it? Called a bar line. Number 3 is the double bar. What's a double bar mean? It means that it is the end of the song. And then we have a number 4, a whole note. And in 4/4 time, always say it that way. And in 4/4 time, a whole note gets how many counts? 4 counts of sound. Not 4 seconds, but 4 counts of sound, right? And then we have a whole note. The whole note gets 4 counts of silence. Exactly. All right. And then we have 2 new things. We have a half note. What's half of 4? Don't get a calculator. What's half of 4? Exactly, it's 2. So a whole note gets 2 counts of sound, right? 2 counts of sound, and the half rest gets 2 counts of. You got it. You got it. Because the exercises that we're going to do in lesson 2 have both whole notes and half notes, both whole rests and half rests. Now, they're the same notes that we've been doing, the same 4 notes, the G, the A, the B, the C. So we don't have any new fingerings to learn. We're just going to keep practicing the ones that we already know. Okay? All right. Let's get started. Let's look at number 1. It's another 2-liner. It's a 2-liner. Oh, lots of playing. We're going to try to take a breath every 2 measures. Unless you can take a breath every 4 measures yet, but let's just try every 2 for now, okay? All right. I asked my friend Molly Metronome to join us. Let's see if Molly Metronome works. Oh, it does. Cool. All right. Every click is 1 count, okay? Makes sense? All right, number 1, lesson 2. Let's get the metronome started. 1, 2, ready, go. Got it? You got it? Now, you can practice it again and again. Go slower. Oh, do not, under any circumstances, no matter what happens, write the names of the notes on the music. If you do that, you will never learn how to read music. Never do that. Never do that. Okay? Are we clear? Are we clear? Cool. All right, number 2. Another two-liner. Woo, baby. Moving into two-liner territory. All right, here we go. A bunch of half notes. A bunch of half notes. But again, the same fingerings that we already know. Each note gets 2 counts. Ta. Let's run the metronome on. Ta, 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 ta. You got it? You got it? All right. We're gonna play. Okay. We're gonna play it on the flute. Here we go. Play along. 2, ready, go. There you go. You get it? Now, make sure that even if you got it, do it again. Do it multiple times this week, okay? Because practice does not make perfect. Practice makes permanent. So we want to practice it until we can't get it wrong. You don't want to practice it until you get it right. You want to practice something until you can't get it wrong. Okay? All right. Number 3. Let's get the metronome started. 2, ready, go. Pretty good, huh? How'd you do? Well, if you're not happy with it, do it again. Do it until you can't get it wrong. And if you have questions, write them in the comments. If you have questions, write them in the comments. Send me an email at saxophonefactory@gmail.com, saxophonefactory@gmail.com, or write their questions in the comments, and I will address them. Promise you. All right, number 4. Number 4 is different. Can you see why it's different? Because we don't play at the beginning. There's a 2 count rest there. A half rest is there. So we start the exercise with 2 counts of silence. Innovative. Here we go. All right, so that may trip you up a little bit, but it shouldn't. Let's get the metronome started. 1, 2, ready, rest. 1, 2. Rest. Rest. rest, rest. Got it? That was a little tricky to start with, I know. That's why you have to practice it. Starts off with a rest. Rest, play, 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 rest, play, 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 rest. Got it? All right. Do it again. I'll wait. Okay, so I won't wait. All right, let's go on to number 5. Number 5 does the very same thing, right? Except it does something different at the end, right? Does the very same thing. It's got a couple of different things there, but so we have to pay attention to where the half rests are. All right, here we go. Get the metronome started. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Again. 2, ready, and rest. Did you get it? Did you get it that time? Did you get it? Did you get it? Awesome. Awesome. So proud of you. All right. Now we're on to number 6. Number 6 is a lot like some of the other ones because it jumps around a lot, right? The notes jump around a lot. So how do you deal with that? That's right. You stare at them like what? Like they owe you money. Making sure that you can see the one that you're playing. All right, here we go. Number 7. And my metronome moves a little bit. Let's see. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, that was my first mistake of the series. Only 2 videos in, that's not good. That was number 6. Number 6. Let's try number 6 one more time. Let's start the metronome. 2, ready, go. And the last note of number 6 gets 4 counts, doesn't it? Make sure you notice that kind of stuff. All right, now we're off to finally to number 7, okay? The one that says melody. I'm not sure who this melody person is, but we're going to play this exercise. Another 2-liner. Here we go. Number 7. It skips around a lot, so you have to stare down the notes. Here we go. Start the metronome. 2, ready, go. All righty. Did you get that? And if you didn't, go back and practice it. Practice it till when? Till you can't get it wrong. That's exactly right. All right. There's a counting study in number 8 because they sort of throw some notes in there, throw some rest in there, throw some notes, rest, right? So we have to be very, very careful about what we're seeing. That's why you have to look at it. Don't try to guess what's coming up. When you're done with a note or done with the rest, just go on to the next one. Here we go. Number 8 starts on a G. Start the metronome. Rest. We'll do it again? Okay. We can do it again. Not a problem. Here you go. 1, 2, ready, go. Kind of weird, but did you get it that time? If you struggled with it, that's okay, because you're going to practice it enough to get it perfect and get it to a point where you cannot play it wrong. Again, that's the end of lesson 2. Thank you again for joining us here on the flute, in the flute room on the Saxophone Factory. We appreciate you. Again, I hope to be able to write down where you can get the book. And in the comment section, in the descriptions, if you have a question, please write it in the comments. And we'll be back with lesson 3. Thanks, everybody. Practice.